Welcome to Rentgine's video tutorial series. In our videos, we will show you how to use Rentgine, which is a car rental software designed for businesses. Our car rental software helps you manage your fleet, staff, and customers in one place. In this video, you will learn how to create a new product, such as a snow chain, roof rack, or charger, in Rentgine. Our system allows you to create not only vehicles, but also products. To begin, go to Settings and click on Product. Here you see all of your existing products. Let's create a roof box as an example. To create this product, click the New Product button. In the Basic Information section, provide information concerning the product's name and quantity type. These fields must be filled out to be able to save your new product. However, feel free to fill out even more information about your item. In this section, you can also specify the VAT. Rentgine will use the given percentage to calculate prices. Go to Settings to set up your VAT values if you haven't already. Next to the VAT field, tick the checkbox if your product is an additional equipment that can be rented out along with your vehicles. In the Price section, you can enter the rental fee of the product, which will automatically show up later when you rent out this product. If you enter the net price, Rentgine will calculate the gross price based on the VAT you provided in the previous section. Naturally, Rentgine also does the calculation for you if you enter the gross price first. Moreover, as you can see, the system allows you to specify the price in several currencies. Choose your desired currencies on the Settings page. In the following section, select the Pickup and Return checklists. This way, the chosen checklist questions will show up upon the pickup and return of the product. Please note that you can only choose a checklist if you have already created checklist questions and checklists in Rentgine. For further information concerning checklists, check out our YouTube video covering this topic. Once you have entered all the information, click the Save button. This product will now appear among your existing ones. You can still edit these items by clicking on them, or you can delete them by clicking on the Delete icon. Now you know how you can create and edit products in Rentgine. If you don't have a Rentgine account yet, check out our subscription plans. For more information concerning the rental process, watch our other videos or visit our website at rentgine.net.